Welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. Before we put our signal the other day, but then it didn't work out. So I tried to put there now. So that's where our signal now. Sige, ako rin kuan ay. Kura na ipa kuan ang di malakon. Yeah, so we got there. We got two signals out, two antenna now. So let's hope it works. You know, because it's really annoying. It's really annoying uploading videos or using internet, and then in just a minute it's 2 bars or 3 bars, and then drop it to nothing. So I ordered that in Lazada the other month, and finally I'm able to install it now. So we use a bamboo stand over that and put it together with our old antenna. So let's hope that it will help to gather more signal. So far, I asked Manangdina yesterday how's her signal, and she said 1 bar or 2 bars. You know, so that's another problem. I pointed that antenna over there because that's going to Hitafe, which is 16 miles from here, and there's a tower there. So it works on our old antenna before, you know, but then it's three bars, and then suddenly drop out. But maybe it's because of the wind, I don't know. But usually once there's windy, it's windy, it really affects our signal. Yeah, so I'm gonna walk you through also of Mananglinas. Mananglina is finished on her tower. Yeah, just doing video. Yeah, so Mananglina's done on her tower, water tower barrel. Yeah, the plumber's been whole day yesterday setting that up. So as you seen, it's been there's some rebar there. So now it's really strong that the wind can fly it. You know? Yeah, so the water from the well come up here and stored here in this barrel, and then Mananglina use it. So before she's using on this one here, she's using this one that has been made of wood, but it's not strong enough. So this is more. So her problem on the water is finally resolved, because even though during summer, at least there's already two well stored waters before that she can use, you know. I don't know what I'm talking. Just got up. Yeah, so it's really good. You know, it's really good. It's Manong Rado and Kuya Holyo has been doing this post. It's like ours also. And her floor has been cemented here, so no more mud. Yeah, so Manong Rado's there clearing up the wood that's left over on Mananglina's house completion. Yeah, so that's it for now. That's our morning. That's Agos. Yamog sa Kabuntagon. Yeah, so have a good day. Thank you so much, and God bless. Bye bye.